Hello everyone. Now I will describe how to use this particular Google Sheet for our preparation. The link for this group Google Sheet has been put in the group description so that it will be accessible whenever we want, even if we erase the chat history. So once we click on the link that is given, this particular web page will open, which will give you this view. So this Google Sheet will contain multiple sheets where each contain its own content. So the content here are weekly schedule and individual chapters with individual questions. So this is chapter number 1, chapter 1 number 2, chapter number 3, and so on. So you now I will demonstrate how to go ahead once you have decided to choose one particular question. So for example, I have chosen esophagus and esophagus chapter, one particular question. Now I'll go to this particular this thing, and if I can't find that particular chapter here, you can just click on this arrow and you will find more chapters. I have included a few more sheets just in case we need to just in case we need to add more chapters apart from the existing chapters. So you, once I add your emails, you will be able to edit all particulars of these sheets. Then so first let me show you how to go about once I choose my topic. The first one is I'll go to that particular chapter that I'm interested, and then go and check this questions. And one more thing I would like to say कि these numbers are usually not matching, मतलब sometimes are not matching with the question number column that is being mentioned here. Just for example, I'll show you here almost, because this numbering is not proper. So some questions are repeated. So this question number which comes along with the question is not matching with the question ID, question serial number that is present in this column. For all practical purposes, we'll take this question number in the serial as a standard reference, not the question number that is present in the question description, because in some places the certain questions are repeated, question numbers are repeated, so that's why this happened, and I don't wish to change individual numbers right now. So now I have decided to go to chapter esophagus, and I would like to attempt this particular question: describe 8th edition of AGCC TNM classification, and so on. So now I'll go, since we are in week number 1, I will go to the drop down menu and I will choose week number 1, and then I have, since I have a list of drop downs wherein the list is given, and then you need to choose your own name, and then now I will change the status, completion status, to from not chosen to choose and in progress. So after I complete, then I can change it later. For now I will remember this chapter number 10 and question number 9, which is in the serial number question number. So now I'll go to the previous menu, previous sheet, where there is a weekly schedule, and then now in week 1 my chapter, I will just mention it as chapter 10 question number 9. Okay, so that everybody will know that I have taken this, and once I complete and submit it, I can choose other status, complete and submitted. Using this sheet, we can also add more questions to the individual chapters, because some chapters are far from complete. For example, let us say biliary system. It has listed only very few questions. See, there are only 2 questions under biliary system. In CNS there is only 1 question. Probably it is it's not very important, but still what is paraganglioma is not a part of standard CNS question. So this is how we would like to use this thing. And one more important thing, this sheet can be accessed from any mobile or laptop. It will be present if you have this document link handy. Thank you.